Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my very first haul on Ajio. So many of us are aware of this brand called Reliance Trends in India. All the clothes that I'm going to show today is from Reliance Trends. Yes guys, and I got this at a very cheap price. I'm going to show in this video how you can also buy these clothes at a very cheaper price than what you see in Reliance Trends. Before we move on with the video, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you will get notified when I am posting my crazy videos. Okay, so let's get on to this video. So this is our first kurta from Fusion. It is a A-line kurta, full length A-line kurta. Very beautiful, and the material is just soft. I think it's cotton. Yes, this is the kurta. In fall, there is a design here with buttons and a folded half sleeve with this cute little design. I like this kurta very much, the color, and it's so comfortable to wear. Now coming on to the price of this kurta. Price of this kurta is 999 rupees, and I got this kurta on Ajio for just rupees 339. Yes, I'll attach the photo here. I will show you guys later in this video how I got these kurtas at such reasonable prices and the trick that you also can use. So this is the kurta. The kurta is actually very comfortable to wear. It's cotton kurti and it's very good kurti. I would highly recommend this for you guys. So let's move on to our next kurti. Our next kurti is this teal color beautiful kurti from Avasa. It is a long kurti with embroidery yoke. It's a plain kurti, nothing much. No, there is no other designs. It's just a plain 3/4 sleeve, and yeah, this is. So the rate of this kurti, as you guys can see, is 899, and I got this kurti for rupees 309. Okay, so yeah, this is for the second kurti. This is the back. Now I'm gonna wear it. This is the kurti. I really like the color of this kurti, and it is also comfortable to wear. This is actually a daily wear comfortable kurti, and at this price I would definitely go for it. Now let's move on to our next kurti. So this is our third kurti. It is also from Avasa, and this is a cotton kurti. That is also another daily wear kurti. But to be honest, I actually did not like the print of this kurti very much. It's a printed floral kurti in cotton material, but I think it will be very good to wear because it's cotton and it will be very comfortable for us also. So this is a kurti. It is having a 3/4 sleeve with a small design here on the sleeve, and also the same design that goes throughout the kurti, as you guys can see. Our price, the price of this kurti is rupees 899, and I got this kurti for rupees 305. So all my kurtis are in the range of 300 to 200 price, and this is another kurti. So I'll show you guys how this looks on me. So this is the third kurti. Like I said, I personally did not like this kurti very much. I think this type of kurti is suitable for middle-aged people, and yeah, this is pretty much, but it's cotton and it's good to wear also. I just didn't like the print of this kurti. Moving on to our next kurti. So our next kurti is a olive green kurti from Avasa. So this is a straight kurti with printed yoke. As you guys can see, this is just a print design, and the rest of the kurti is plain. Also, this kurti is a little bit, it is a bit shorter. Go best with these type, with palazzos, shararas, and jeans as well. The hand is 3/4 sleeve with a small updo, and there is a button too. So the price of this kurti is rupees 799 rupees, and I got this kurti for just rupees 271, as you guys can see. So yeah, so this is the fourth kurti, and now I'll show you how it looks on me. I really love this kurta. This is so good, and I really like the color combination, and yeah, this kurta is also so comfortable. The material is soft, and it is like really comfortable while wearing it, and I feel so good in it. So moving on to the next one. Our next kurta is also from Fusion. This is a dark grey kurti which is printed sleeveless straight kurta. Okay, so this is the design. They are having this cute little designs. I also attached sleeves with this kurti. Okay, this is not cotton material, it is some other material. I think it's viscose or yeah, but the material is actually good. And this is the kurti with small buttons throughout the end. Coming to the price of this kurti is 499 rupees, and I got this kurti for 349. That means 350 to an approximate value. So yeah, this is the back side of the kurti. So now let's see how it looks. So this is the kurti, and I really like this kurti. It is looking so good, and it is also very comfortable. I like the designs, the pattern. I mean, this is my favorite till now. So let's move on to our very last kurti. So our last kurti is from Avaasa. This is a printed A-line kurti with tassel work at the end. It's just a small tassel work, as you guys can see. There you go. It's a sleeveless kurti, but there are sleeves attached. So if you guys want sleeves, you can stitch it up. It's a printed kurti, actually a different kind of style pattern to this kurti that I really liked. And this color, it is a wine colored kurti. But when I actually saw this kurti up on the site, it actually looked real red color. So I was kind of expecting a red kurti, and when it came up, I was like, maybe they might have mischanged the color, and I went to check it up online. So it was actually mentioned there that it is wine color, but I guess the pictures, maybe they might have had some issue with the photos they took. I don't know, but yeah, in the photos they look like red, but this is the color that came up to me, and I really like this color, so that's it. So coming to the price of this kurti's price range is at 799 rupees, as you can see, and I got this kurti at just rupees 271 rupees. Yeah, so with that price and this pattern and this design, it was totally worth the money. So let's see how this kurti goes. Bye bye. So this is the kurti. This kurti is actually pretty long, as you guys can see. I should actually wear a heel, which I don't have right now. You could just cut it if you don't want this long. But overall the kurti is comfortable. I have to shape it. It's a little bit loose on me. And sleeves are also there for those who want sleeves. I really like this color, and it stands out, and it's a beautiful kurti. I love it. So summing up our video, as you guys have seen that all my kurtis were either of the brand Avaasa or Fusion, and I really enjoyed making this video, and it was my first ever haul, and I was so pretty excited, and I am happy with what came out. You guys must really check out the app Ajio. This is not sponsored. This is a great app where you can get all the branded products at such a lower price than the stores. So once you install Ajio app from Google Play Store and sign into the app using your Gmail account or Google account or your phone number, once all that's done, you can go to the search bar and type sales, and you can get a whole lot of products that has been uploaded for sale, that are currently on sale in the app. Apart from that, there are many offers on the Ajio site itself where you can go and check out all the deals and offers that are already going on. Another thing that I really want to warn you guys is that once you select a product, make sure that you are booking and ordering the product as soon as possible, because in Ajio the sale is tremendous. Like once a product is on sale, it vanishes. The product vanishes within minutes. Okay, so make sure that once you select a product, you're gonna make it fast and put up your order. So I got all my products in a discount where you before you check out your order, you can apply coupons. So when you're going and checking out on coupons area, so when you select a coupon, apply coupon, you can get a whole lot of coupon codes in which you can use on your order. Like the coupon which is having the highest price of discount. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button once again, and stay tuned for my next video. Bye bye.